Now from underneath you can see the AC belt tensioners. Stick a 3/8 tool in there, breaker bar, ratchet, whatever you have. Pull the belt off, let go of your tool. Now to remove the tensioner, you need a 15mm socket. Break free these two bolts here. Okay, here's your tensioner. Let's get the new pulley in, line it up, and slide in the two mounting bolts and thread them on by hand. Let's bottom them out and then we'll torque them. 37 foot-pounds for these two bolts. And then take your tool, take tension off of the tensioner, slip it over that pulley. Now before you take your tool away, just double check to make sure the belt is sitting where it needs to be. You don't want it to be off one rib anywhere, otherwise it'll break. There you go.